Oh, hey, grab a seat. No, 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 don't run away yet. I've got to share this with you. And to the two of three people watching this video. If you are a human, which I assume you are, not against animals, you might have or might be commuting by trains. Um, oh yes, you have, damn it. Now, it so happens to be that I enrolled myself in college, which unfortunately is far from my residence, so I have to commute by train every single day, except for Saturdays and Sundays. Thank God for that. But who cares? So what? Stop being a baby and shut your little whining. Shh. This is what you may be thinking. But hear me out. I ain't against traveling by train. Heck, I love trains. It's just the route that I take and the humans, more like demons, that I encounter that make it hellish. My journey looks something like this. Map. Hey map, can you help me out a little? Goal. Reach destination by 8:30 am. The first hurdle is getting my body up and running before 7 am, which should be easy enough, right? Hey dude, it's 7:10 already. You should probably wake up now. Mm, mm. Oh, oh gosh, not the right one. Oh Nanya, it's 9 already. I missed my first two lectures. Might as well go back to sleep. Good night. But on the days where I manage to cross the first hurdle, then comes reaching the station, which totally depends on the traffic gods, who kinda seem to hate me. Despite the odds, I'm here. I reached the station. Now it's just a matter of boarding a train. Easy. Here's where things get interesting. Seems a bit crowded. I'll take the next one. Another waiter, huh? No chance. Yo, Mr. Anime Man, help me out a little, will you? And if a train which is not crowded arrives, a 0.1% probability, aren't you exaggerating a little too much? No, no. The compartment seems empty, so people standing in front of the doors, potentially blocking us from boarding the train, are going to get down or move, right? Masaka, they aren't moving. Now correct me if I'm stupid to have assumed them to move or get their asses off the train. I hope you feel good about yourself causing unnecessary inconvenience to the unknown people who haven't caused you any trouble but are suffering from a lack of competence and questioning your very existence. No, I ain't Flash to freeze through you, am I? But if I were to be Flash, I wouldn't be taking a train. That's besides the point. I hope you all are safe and fine during this crisis and are practicing social distancing, however bothersome this may be. But we gotta do what we gotta do now, huh? People, please stay home. And lastly, thanks to these amazing people for the inspiration. See ya later. Oh, you're still here, huh? Might as well like, share, comment, and subscribe. felt like a douchebag for saying this. Matane,